So the next method is called the join method, and it will give us the option to use our array as a string. So if I would console.log users, and I would refresh the page, you could see our users here. So now if I use users.join, and if I refresh the page, it will show us the same, obviously, but if I use const of to create a new user, so new users, and I log that one, yeah, you can see that it logged as a string here. So basically the join method is creating a string out of our array, and by default it will separate our items basically by a comma by default, but we could also pass something like this, space, and just one line, and when we refresh the page you could see that that default value could be changed. So yeah, that's it.